Hi everybody, I'm Gigi of GiGi Celebrities, and as you guys probably know at this point, I came out with a cookbook. That's right, this is my cookbook right here. Now I told you in my previous video that I would be doing a couple of sneak peeks to show you guys what is in this book. So today, I plan on doing just that. Now on Instagram and on Facebook, I actually took a poll to figure out which recipe I should showcase first here on my YouTube channel and blog. And the poll included either my breakfast bowl recipe or my winter squash pancake recipe. Now the poll came pretty close, but the winner was the breakfast bowl. That's right, everybody, the breakfast bowl. So let's open up my cookbook here and find that recipe so we can make it together. Look at all of these recipes. There's just so many to choose from. Here it is. Breakfast bowl with cauliflower hash. Now I don't eat dairy, so instead of using the shredded cheese, I'm actually gonna be using nutritional yeast. And what I kinda wanna do is sprinkle a little bacon on top of this breakfast bowl, so I'm gonna do that too because I actually happen to have bacon in my refrigerator. And I'm pointing that way because my fridge is right there. But that brings me to one point I wanna mention. So when you're cooking, if you have ingredients that you think are gonna taste really good in a specific recipe that you find, say, in my own cookbook, add it to the mix and see what happens. It's all about experimenting in the kitchen, which that's legit what this book is right here. This is all one big experiment that just happened to work for me. Hopefully these recipes work for you as well. But for right now, I'm gonna show you how to make this breakfast bowl with cauliflower hash, and then hopefully you guys make it at home because it's super, super simple. Well, the breakfast bowl is done, and dare I say it smells amazing? I mean, not to toot my own horn or anything, but I think this smells really, really good. And I know it tastes good because, well, I have made this bowl before, and hopefully all of you at home will try this bowl out and think it's equally as good as I do. So even though I've tried this before, I definitely want to dig in because meat, eggs, bacon, tomatoes, cauliflower hash, that combination is dynamite. Talk about one filling bowl of nutrients right here, seriously. Now you might be a little confused as to what nutritional yeast is, and it's actually yeast, believe it or not, whoa, but it tastes very cheesy, which is why I used it instead of shredded cheese. You can of course use shredded cheese just like I recommend in the cookbook, but I'm going the nutritional yeast approach, and you know what? I don't think I'm gonna be disappointed whatsoever. Oh, and another thing too is, as you guys saw as I was making this recipe, I used cauliflower rice that already had some herbs and spices and tomatoes mixed in. That being said, you can of course just use riced cauliflower in general, and then you can add your own herbs and spices. But I had that stuff on hand and I figured, why not try? It's all about using the stuff in the pantry before going out to the store to buy other stuff, right? Because I am notorious for going to buy shit at the store when I already have it in the pantry. Anyways, let's shut me up by putting some food in my mouth. How about that? Oh yeah, there's the cheesiness from that nutritional yeast. Guys, it's seriously crazy how much it tastes like cheese. Woo, this bowl right here. This is my jam, except there's no jam in this recipe. Because that is not keto approved, people. This bowl, however, totally keto approved. And hopefully your mouth approves of this bowl as well. So let me know in the comments below if you do in fact make this recipe, whether or not you liked it. And if you added other things to the recipe, because as I said, go for it. Add what you got in the refrigerator that sounds good for this recipe, AKA like what I did with this bacon. All right, I'm gonna go plow through this bowl, and I hope to see you all next week. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, my book is on pre-order right now, everybody. I have a link to that in the description below, so you can go pre-order this book right now. It is on sale June 18th, so do yourself a favor, because you know you wanna fill up on this goodness. Yes, you do. All right, bye.